Let's run my Hoover Mach Cyclonic. This thing ain't been ran in a while, so let's just see how well she'll do. And this one here is my late grandma's old upright. This thing is from December of 2009. Definitely needs a new belt. Alright. Nice. This thing's done pretty good. Very nice. Cool. Got quite a bit of dirt. Alright. Let's make this a versus video, huh? Let's get the Kirby Avalier in here. Be right back. Now let's do this. Turn this into a Hoover versus Kirby, huh? This one here is newer. This machine is from 2017. The machine I just ran at the very beginning was from 2009. So let's see what this one is. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. And before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you and have a wonderful day. And make sure you leave a good comment down below. I'll see y'all next one.